Welcome to Sunshine Art and Drawing. Today I'm going to be showing you these beautiful books. They're called A Million Cats and A Million Bears. Here are some of the images that I've already done. I especially like the candy themes. I'm going to be colouring one of the pages using these Faber-Castell classic colour pencils, using all different colours. Just sharpening up a couple, make sure they're ready to go, and we'll start with the cute bell. I want this to be a super relaxing video for you to just chill out and enjoy. And for something a little bit different, watch out for a little bit of pack opening here and there, just to break it up a little bit and just for something fun and different. I hope you enjoy this one. And I hope you're feeling relaxed wherever you are. I want you to feel safe here. And if you just need to chat, pop a comment down below. I always have my phone on me, so I'm happy to answer any questions or even just have a bit of a chat. So, we're coming up close now to the pack opening. Wonder what we're going to be opening. I think I can hear a little rustle. Can you hear it? I got these with my shopping. And I didn't order them, but I think they come with any shopping that you do. So I've got 4 packs, and we're going to try and open them up and see what we get inside. Let's get it open. Ooh. That little tiny miniature pack of mints. It's really strange, but it's cute. So let's pop that to the side. And here is all of the different items that you get. Seems to be a cute little collection of shopping items. We'll pop that to the side and let's continue with some colouring. Hope you guys have been having a chill week. I've had a busy week at work. I think it's finally calming down. Sometimes life is like that. Super, super busy, and then it's super, super calm. Gotta take those little calm bits where you can. Take the time to stop and smell the roses. And just breathe. Let's open another pack. I wonder what this one is. Oh man, it's a double. So I've got 2 of these little Eclipse mint tins. Not sure what I'm supposed to do with them. We'll pop them to the side and keep on colouring. Sometimes it's hard to decide what colours to use. My favourite colour is purple, so I did the bottom cushion purple. I used some light and dark purple. And then took some green to do the little accents on the little acorns. Favourite thing about colouring is that you don't have to colour things in the correct colours. You can colour things in any colour you want. If you want to make a pink cushion and then a blue and green cushion and then a purple and sort of dark navy cushion, you can make that. You can have purple flowers, pink flowers, green flowers, yellow flowers. It doesn't matter because it's your imagination and your artwork. I can hear another rustle. Number 3. So in this one here. Oh, it's hard to open. Ah, there we go. It's a tiny little pizza sauce bottle. Wonder if it opens. Nope. It's just plastic. But that's cute. It's like a little pizza sauce bottle that you would put when you're making homemade pizza. Very, very cute. So we're on the home stretch now. Time to colour in the kitty cat. I'm going to use some different browns and blend them all together. And you can totally blend with these pencils. You know, it might not be 100% smooth blending, but they blend together pretty well. And I don't see what the problem with that is. I think it's good. And I used a bit of silver and gold to embellish a bit around the collar. And I'm going to do the face. So I'm trying to add some sort of lighter bits and then some darker bits around the little chubby kitty. It's very, very cute. Whoever's drawn this book, all of the cats are really like chubby and fluffy. It's super, super adorable. I'm sure it makes it easier to draw because they're a lot more circular. But super, super cute. I think the illustrator is Lulu Mayo, I think. Very super cute. And I'm going to be doing this little blanket at the back in like a tartan or a plaid. So I'm using the 4 kind of primary colours, well 3 primary colours in green. I made a little plaid and then a little bit of a shadow at the bottom and we are done. And we've got one more pack to open, so let's see what's in this one.
Oh, that's cute.
Aww, it's a little My Dog food tin. So these are all the ones that I got. And I'll do a bit of a close-up so you can have a look at each one. But if you're collecting these ones and you're missing out on a particular one, let me know. I'm sure I can pop it in the post if you're in Australia. I'll be happy to send it off to you, so just let me know. You can email me. And yeah. So they're super, super, super cute. But I have a sort of a love-hate relationship because we definitely don't need more plastic things in our lives. But they are really, really adorable. Especially the little dog food tin. That's really cute. I don't know why I find them so cute. I think miniature things are just adorable. So you guys have a sunshiny day. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for subscribing and for sharing. And you have a sunshiny day. Bye.